Dream Destiny Destinations. Explore the world beyond borders. Discover history, nature, and unforgettable journeys.
Imagine a string of pearls scattered across a vast turquoise canvas, each pearl an island, its brilliant white sand fringed by swaying fills you with the essence of the islands, a blend of nature's purest scents. The Maldives is more than a destination. It's an invitation to witness nature's artistry and reconnect with the planet's fundamental elements. Here, you rediscover the simple joys of sunlight, water, and earth, and the peace that comes from being truly present. Our journey begins with wonder, into a world where every grain of sand and every ripple in the water tells a story of survival, beauty, and harmony. In the Maldives, dreams and reality blend, inviting us to explore, to marvel, and to cherish this archipelago of dreams. The Maldives is a nation of over 1,000 coral islands, strung across 26 atolls atop ancient volcanic ranges. These islands, scattered like jewels across the Indian Ocean, form a unique and breathtaking landscape that is both beautiful and fragile. With an average elevation of just 1.5 meters, it's the world's lowest-lying country, its existence shaped by the sea and threatened by rising tides. The ocean is both a creator and a constant challenge, as the islands face the ever-present risk of flooding and erosion. Stretching over 800 kilometers, the Maldives is more ocean than land, its territory spanning 90,000 square kilometers of water. The islands are mere specks in a vast blue expanse, connected by the sea that surrounds and sustains them. The atolls form natural rings, each enclosing a turquoise lagoon protected by coral reefs that shelter vibrant marine life. These reefs are living barriers, teeming with color and diversity, and they play a vital role in the island's survival. With no rivers or mountains, the islands rely on rainwater and desalination, and the coconut palm is central to survival. Every part of the palm is used, from food and shelter to tools and crafts, making it the lifeblood of island communities. Every island is a self-contained ecosystem, a testament to resilience in a fragile environment. Here, nature and people coexist in a delicate balance, adapting to the rhythms of the sea and the changing climate. The ocean is the nation's highway, larder, and playground. It connects families, provides food, and offers endless opportunities for adventure and discovery. Understanding this delicate balance is key to appreciating the Maldivian way of life. It is a story of adaptation, ingenuity, and deep respect for the ocean that surrounds and sustains these remarkable islands. The Maldives' history stretches back over 2,500 years, shaped by waves of settlers, traders, and faiths. Early inhabitants from India and Sri Lanka brought Buddhist traditions, leaving behind ancient stupas and monasteries. In the 12th century, Arab traders introduced Islam, peacefully transforming the island's culture and language. The Maldives became a crossroads for trade, attracting Portuguese and later British influence, each leaving their mark. Independence came in 1965, but the island's identity is a resilient blend of South Asian, Arab, and European heritage. This tapestry is visible in faces, music, crafts, and the enduring spirit of the people, The Maldivians have absorbed influences while holding fast to their traditions and connection to the sea. Their story is one of adaptation, survival, and a unique island identity. At the heart of Maldivian life is Islam, shaping values, customs, and the rhythm of each day. Mosques are community centers, blending coral stone tradition with modern design. Music and dance, especially the Bodu Beru drum performance, animate festivals and tell stories of the sea. Craftsmanship thrives. Boat building, lacquer work, and intricate reed mat weaving are living links to the past. Celebrations unite communities, from religious festivals like Eid to National Day parades, honoring local heroes. These events blend ancient traditions with modern life, reinforcing family and community bonds. Hospitality and compassion are central, extended to all who visit. In moments of shared joy and reverence, the warm spirit of the islands shines. Maldivian culture is a vibrant, welcoming tapestry woven from faith, history, and the sea. Life in the Maldives is shaped by the ocean's rhythm and the coconut palm's bounty. Each new day begins with the soft glow of sunrise, painting the islands in golden light and filling the air with the gentle sound of waves. The connection between the people and their environment is felt in every moment. Days begin before dawn as fishermen set out in donas, returning with shimmering catches that feed the community. Fishing is not just a livelihood, but a tradition passed down through generations, teaching patience, skill, and respect for the sea. The coconut palm provides wood, thatch, rope, and food. Every part is used, sustaining island life. From weaving mats to building homes, the palm is at the heart of daily routines, a symbol of resourcefulness and resilience. Family and community are central. Extended families live close, children are raised collectively, and elders are deeply respected. Wisdom is shared across generations, and traditions are kept alive through stories and daily practices. Afternoons bring people together under shady trees to share stories and laughter. These gatherings strengthen bonds, create memories, and offer a sense of belonging that is cherished by all. The local market is the island's vibrant heart, where land and sea's bounty meet and news is exchanged. Here, neighbors greet each other warmly, and the spirit of community is alive in every interaction. Life moves at an unhurried, sociable pace, far from the rush of city living. There is time to appreciate the beauty of the islands and the company of friends and family. The simple, sustainable lifestyle has allowed Maldivian culture to thrive for generations. Living in harmony with nature is not just a choice, but a way of life that ensures the island's future. Here, the bonds of community and nature are inseparable, creating a unique way of life that is both peaceful and enduring. Maldivian cuisine is a celebration of the sea and coconut, flavored by centuries of trade. Tuna and coconut are staples, spiced with chili, curry leaves, and lime. Mashuni, smoked tuna, coconut, onion and chili with flatbread, is a traditional breakfast. Curry simmer and coconut milk, and garudia, a clear fish broth, is a national favorite. Meals are communal, bringing families together to share stories and flavors. Snacks like bajia and gulha are enjoyed with tea in the afternoon. The cuisine reflects resourcefulness. Smoked and dried fish preserve the catch, coconut adds richness. To taste Maldivian food is to taste the island's essence, the salt of the sea, the sweetness of the palm, and the warmth of community. Tradition endures, but the Maldives is rapidly embracing the future. Tourism and fishing drive the economy. Luxury resorts and sustainable pole-and-line tuna exports support livelihoods and development. The one island, one resort model preserves local culture, while welcoming the world. Education and technology are transforming lives, with high literacy and digital connectivity bridging island distances. Young Maldivians balance tradition with global influences, forging new paths as doctors, engineers, and entrepreneurs. The nation faces challenges: climate change, environmental pressures, and social shifts. Conservation efforts protect fragile reefs and promote sustainable tourism. The Maldives is a place of dynamic change, blending ancient traditions with modern ambitions. Its future depends on balancing prosperity with the preservation of its unique environment. The Maldives' true magic lies beneath its crystal waters, in coral reefs teeming with life. These underwater cities shelter thousands of fish species, sea turtles, manta rays, and even whale sharks. Calm lagoons nurture juvenile fish, while ocean channels host majestic creatures and vibrant marine life. Mangroves and seagrass beds protect coastlines and provide vital habitats, connecting every part of the ecosystem. Conservation is crucial. Marine protected areas and sustainable practices aim to preserve this underwater paradise. The health of reefs, mangroves, and seagrass is intertwined, supporting both marine and island life. Exploring these waters reveals a breathtaking web of life and the wonder of nature's complexity. The Maldives' underwater world is a living testament to the planet's beauty and fragility. What makes the Maldives truly special is its profound peace, natural beauty, and deep connection to the ocean. The sea's constant presence calms the spirit, encouraging a slower, more mindful way of life. The landscape's colors, white sand, turquoise lagoons, sapphire ocean, are a visual feast. Sunrises, sunsets, and star-filled nights create moments of pure wonder. The allure goes beyond scenery. It's found in the resilience and warmth of the people and the lessons in sustainability they offer. The islands are a sanctuary for marine life and for the human soul, a place to find peace and inspiration. The Maldives leaves a lasting mark, reminding us of the planet's precious beauty and the need to protect it. It is an invitation to pause, breathe, and marvel at the wonder of it all.
Thank you for traveling with Dream Destiny Destinations. Subscribe and let the next adventure begin. See you in the next journey.